In the final discussion board, I find the Microsoft Dynamic Office add-in is very interesting part. The Microsoft Dynamic Office add-in enable data's connection to the Microsoft dynamic systems. In the Excel, the Microsoft Dynamic Office add-in allows users to read, analyze, and edit data from Microsoft Dynamic System and publish data changes back to Microsoft Dynamic OData services. Any errors encountered on publish are indicated to the users via row by row highlighting and a message containing numbers of rows created, updated, and deleted. In Word, Microsoft Word, the Macro Dynamic Office add-in allows users to design documents and templates that can then be uploaded to the Microsoft Dynamics. Users can Users can then trigger document generations that injects Microsoft Dynamic data into those document templates to produce finished documents. The user can point the Microsoft Dynamic Office add-in at different services a service to allow workbook and documents portability between test and production environment. Also, the facilities sharing between customers. A Microsoft Dynamics system and the corresponding users' accounts are required. Only Dynamic AX data service are supported at this time. Pre-release of Microsoft Dynamics will support Office 2013, but starting with RTW release of Microsoft Dynamics AX Office 2016 is required.